Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some Kobe practice. I pretty much just got up and I want to practice a little bit. So yeah, I said why not do it with audio, because we usually put music in the background. Or just music, that's it. So I honestly haven't even warmed up. So yeah, let's just do this. It's kind of hard to talk while playing, so I'll try to talk as much, but sometimes when I'm focusing I can't talk that much. If you're noticing I'm not doing as good as I usually do, that's kind of why. Let's go. Oh, we got a combo on that guy. Let's quickly get our pots organized. Oh. I noticed there's better people on at night, but bad people on in the morning. Because this guy's not that good, I guess. Because I'm not going that hard on him right now. Oh, let's go. Oh, I haven't potted in a bit. Oh. I gotta eat. I'm probably gonna throw it away. And 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oh, he's eating too, I guess. I think. I don't know. Let's just quickly get our pots organized, get this ready for when we need it, and yeah, let's go. Uh oh. Yeah, we got him. GG. I don't know if you can hear the mouse sounds. You probably can. So I could name the video that. I don't know. We'll see. Give it a quick teleport over. If you're wondering what this texture pack is, I'll try to link it in the description because it's amazing. I probably won't link the video that I found it off of. I'll probably just link the download, and that way you guys can just get it yourselves. It's really awesome. I was getting tired of the one I used forever. I really gotta. I want to eat. I don't know who's ahead in this fight, to be honest. It's hard to tell. I think I might be. Yeah, I know I am now. Oh, 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 that was so solid. Oh my gosh. That 2 wins in a row. We win some, we lose some. I can't be mad if I lose this one now. Jeez Louise, I must be getting good ping right now. Okay, let's go. Another one. We're fighting xComboKidx. Let's go. Hopefully the quality's alright. I tried to put the brightness up a little bit for you guys, make it look a little bit better. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh yeah, he's decent at PvP. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, we're getting him. Oh. Come on. Get that combo. Yeah. Oh, look at that combo. Man, that was a good combo. Oh. Uh-oh. If I'm not talking, I'm focusing. No, we don't need to pot yet. We don't need to pot yet. Oh, come on. Let's get a combo. There we go. That's what you call a good combo. Oh, oh, that hurt. Oh. Uh-oh. It's hard to tell who's winning. I might be now. I'm not that sure, though. Okay, he's gonna let me pot. We'll probably try debuffs next, even though I suck at them. What? I don't get it. You said, yeah. Hi. I'm recording this. Oh no. Just tell him to check the video out. He's probably gonna go extra try hard now. Or just get that combo on him. Oh. Yeah, oh jeez, I'm doing really well this morning. Getting some good frames, all that good stuff. Oh, I need to say a good fight, dude. He's putting up a really good fight today. We could eat, but we don't need to speed up. Hard to tell, really. If she teleports, we're not doing it. Same, did first fight of the day. I'm really gotta speed in a minute. I know it's gonna run out mid-fight, and I'm just gonna have to teleport. Oh yeah. Oh, he doesn't need speed. I was gonna let him speed there. I think he needs to. Look at that glove I'll get on him. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. That's gonna be in the vid. Sure. I said I'm going to try debuffs. Sure. Okay, we're still recording. Anyway, let me just make my brightness even a little bit bigger. We want this to look awesome. Alrighty. I'm debating on just going like pop. Oh man, we both. I'm wasting the ball on him. Oh no. I have no experience with this, guys. I got him. Oh no. Let's go. Oh, I took his pots. Oh, GG. We took his pots right there. I know. Sometimes when you get in the player, you can actually take his pots, and that's super fun to do. I'm going a little tryhard right now. We both just woke up, so. Oh, gee. Oh! GF. Last one, then vid. Sick. He's a cool guy. Yeah, he'll probably watch the video. If you're seeing this, xComboKidx, comment, and maybe we can PvP some more again. Oh jeez. I think I'm gonna go try hard on him. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see how he does. I'm gonna go try harder now. Let's go. Oh, I was going pretty easy just because I woke up, but I'm getting warmed up now. I can go pretty hard. Oh no. That was close. Oh, can we pick him up? Yeah, we did! Oh man. Oh, that was mean of me. Yeah. But if you guys enjoyed, please share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.